Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own live wallpaper using Wallpaper Engine. Whether it's a video, image, or animation, I'll guide you through the entire process, including uploading to the Steam Workshop, customizing settings, and more. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Let's get started. Launch Steam and locate Wallpaper Engine in your library. Click Start to open it. Once launched, your wallpaper should now be live. If you don't see the Wallpaper Engine icon in the system tray, bottom right corner, check the hidden icons by clicking the up arrow. Create a new live wallpaper. Right-click the Wallpaper Engine icon. Click Create Wallpaper to start making your own. A new window will appear with options to create a wallpaper from scratch, use a template, view all projects, read design documentation. If you simply want to set a video as your wallpaper, follow these steps. Click Create Wallpaper and select a video file from your PC. Click Open, then give your project a name, My Custom Wallpaper. Choose a background color and click OK. Once done, you'll see a preview of your wallpaper. To apply it, click File, Apply Wallpaper to test it on your setup. Adjust settings like playback speed, looping, and audio controls. If you want to share your wallpaper with others, click Workshop, then Share Wallpaper on Workshop. Enter the following details: name, genre, sci-fi, nature, abstract, description, age rating. Choose a preview image by either importing an image file, taking a snapshot from your wallpaper preview. Click Publish and your wallpaper will be uploaded to the Steam Workshop. In the next videos, I'll show you how to create fully 3D wallpapers with time and date widgets, interactive elements, and much more. Stay tuned! If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.